Business owners can use the Bank of America Susan G. Komen card to make donations. To contribute to breast cancer research via credit card, be sure to take a look at the Bank of America Susan G. Komen card. It has no annual fee. Get a 0% APR for 12 months on purchases and balance transfers. Afterwards, it is a variable 13.99% to 23.99% APR. For each new Susan G. Komen card open, the bank contributes $3 to this foundation, which is dedicated to education and research related to the causes, treatment, and cure of breast cancer. Furthermore, the Komen Foundation gets 0.8% of all retail purchases made with the card and $3 per card renewal. This personal credit card also earns 1% cash back on purchases, 2% cash back at grocery stores and wholesale clubs, and 3% cash back on gas. Get $150 online cash rewards bonus if you spend $500 in the first 90 days. Bank of America customers get an added 10% bonus cash when they redeem their cash back as an electronic deposit into their Bank of America account. This better cash back value is exclusively for Bank of America customers. See bankofamerica.com/creditcards/products/Susan Komen credit card. Business owners can use the Bank of America Susan G. Komen card to make donations.